Hey, how you doing, Brandon? It's July 9th, Wednesday, I think, 2015. Walking a dog, doing financial junk all day. I don't know. Hate arguing with my mom over stuff. It's like an uphill battle all the time. It's stupid. It really is. Okay, I guess I'll work on that tire today and on some cleaning. Yeah, my crazy dog just saw a 1-year-old. Never saw a human that small before, I guess. He's going crazy. You keep looking. Okay, I got some Sata cables. Hope they're long enough. I shut down Wolf here. And then I love KVM switches. Yeah, it's still doing well. I'm going to replace all the SATA wires. It's been doing well since I wiggled all the SATA wires. I'm replacing the power wire as well. Okay, replaced the SATA cables I had. These fit a lot tighter. Seem to have a little bit of a problem booting up though, from something I moved, no doubt. I don't know if it was power or what. If these cables are no good, I don't know. I'm having a heck of a time with this machine. I don't know what to think. Great. Okay, I just pulled out wire 3 and 4, which weren't going anywhere. I wanted to eventually put a RAID 5 array in this machine. So I had purchased the wires. But now this, I finally got this to where it's recognizing my drives again. But it's acting weird again. It's rebuilding my array again. It's done it about 100 times already. I don't know why it's rebuilding ADO. Because it booted fine with both of them on. So I wouldn't put ADO as the main, the beginning of the RAID array. I think it's building ADO with 81. I hope I didn't lose any data though. Okay, I'm cooking my mom another hamburger. I'm going to find a spatula. Okay, just flipped it. This is a plain old burger. I tried to make it skinny, but I guess it's not as skinny as she wants it. Still washing all these dishes. Electric went up by $100 last month because all this extra cleaning and all the air conditioning is running. And the vacuuming and all this stuff. I'm sure this hot water heater's not helping much. I had to wash all this today somehow. Yeah, after this hamburger, we will have burned up an entire loaf of bread since last night to now. It's melting good. son I saw cooking some cheeseburgers. He uses 4 pieces of cheese on each cheeseburger. And it looks pretty good, so I'm going to make myself one too. Plus I just found some provolone cheese, so mine a little spicier. Got some Worcestershire sauce. Okay, there's my mom's. All set for her. And I don't know if she's going to give you any, dog. Okay, sprinkled some William Perrin sauce and some Jamaican jerk on mine. She doesn't like Jamaican jerk seasoning. Just had to reheat my coffee. Every time I sit down with the coffee, she wants stuff. Never fails. You know, just want to relax and drink 1 cup of coffee, for God's sake. Flip this. I should probably turn the heat up. It's probably going to suck. Yeah. Turn the heat up. I don't want it too well done. And my fried onions aren't frying too quickly for some reason. Looking good though. Oh, apparently we used a whole bottle of ketchup. So we're down to like half a bottle of the second bottle. I have to get 2 bottles. I hate running out and then having to run to the store. I like to have a backup one. Oh, it looks terrible, but it's going to taste good. That's what counts. This doesn't look too bad. Well, this is beyond frustrating. I may have lost all my data. It keeps going into this loop mode for some reason.
That's the bottom line, right? That's her leverage. That's her hammer.
I don't know what else I can do.
Everybody knows it. We just don't talk about it till now.
I guess I'm going to pull out the card and clean the contacts and see if it's some kind of weird hardware problem. Okay, I finally got it to start rebuilding again. I don't know if it's going to hold up. That power cord is really screwed up. I got one coming. It should be here tomorrow. Well, I guess I'll see if I can get another steak cooked with whatever gas is left here. Maybe there's enough gas. Heat it up and then scrape it down. We shall see, I guess. Yeah, it's a nice little trailer somebody left there. This is people moving in. They sold the end unit. Anyway, here's our dog. He's going out. Hopefully my computer's rebuilding itself properly. I have all the disks laying out though. I wanted to try to see if I could get the old disk to work. I may have a burnout disk because I had already replaced it. If that works, I'll just get another one. I could make a RAID 5 array, which would be cool. He pays so much attention to everything but going out lately. Okay, this has been heating up for a while. Ow. It's hot. And these are some serious, huge steaks too. Alright. Cooking the same way as I cooked the other one. I'm probably going to have to cut some up and freeze it though. There's a lot of steak. Okay, there's the steaks. Plus I still got a lot in the refrigerator. So I'll let these cool down and guess I'll put a little Worcestershire sauce on it so it sucks in there while it's cooling down. Actually I could just put it in the bag. I'm going to put them in a plastic bag. Yeah, they're looking good, man. They're looking good. Very good. I love that grill. It's the best present I ever bought my mom. Bought it for her and Robert to split. Pretty cool. Yeah, just took a sample out of that one. That's looking good.
So I'll take a sample out of this one.
This one's a little less rare, but it's still juicy.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, I'll let these cool down a bit, then I'll put them in a big plastic bag. Well, I showed my mom a picture of the steaks, and she wants a little chunk, so I'm going to cut her up a little chunk of this more well done one. Okay, she didn't like it. I'm cooking it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and it's going to ruin it as far as any normal people. And she likes it that way, so I don't see how you can eat it any other way than this. You cook out all the flavor. I think it's perfect. Near perfect, anyway. She wants salt on it, too. Another big no-no. I don't know where the salt is. We had some sea salt. I think it's in the living room. Well, we're getting a little bit of rain. It's not raining right this second, though. We have there's a hurricane warning not far from here. They said it's a Doppler located one or something. So you can't see it yet. Yeah, we're barking, aren't we there, dog? He thinks I'm barking when I sneeze. Anyway, you guys all have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.